This video discusses how to change out the fan motor in a PORTACOOL Hurricane 3600 unit. Before you begin, lock the casters to keep the unit from moving while you're working. Unplug the unit and store the cord. Never perform any service on a unit unless it's unplugged. Remove the pad flaps and pads from the unit. If you need more information about removing the pads, please watch our pad removal instructional video. Once the pads have been set aside, remove the 2 screws from the electrical box plate. The plate cover should come off easily. Find the fan motor cord in the electrical box and disconnect the cord from the switch. Cut the zip ties holding the cord to the brace. Remove the 4 bolts that attach the motor support arms to the fan shroud. Pull the fan assembly from the unit. Loosen the 2 set screws on the fan blade and remove the blade. Loosen the 2 nuts on each support arm that holds the fan motor to the arms and slide the arms out of the slot. Your PORTACOOL Hurricane 3600 fan motor comes with a 3-year warranty. Keep the sticker off the motor for warranty purposes. Discard the old fan motor. Slide the support arms into the slots on the new fan motor and secure with 2 screws on each of the 4 arms. Replace the fan blade and tighten the 2 screws to secure. Reattach the motor support arms to the fan shroud using 4 bolts. Connect the fan motor cord to the switch in the electrical box and place the plate cover on the electrical box and secure with 2 screws. Use zip ties to secure the cord to the brace to keep it away from the fan blades and clip the loose ends. Replace the pads and screw the pad flap back into place.